Guys, I'm Bibin and today I'm going to show you how to download any videos from Wood or Hotstar or YouTube, any sites. First of all, you need to it's my YouTube channel Bibin, that's my name. If you like my videos, then you can subscribe for getting more updates, and you can like my videos. Okay. Then now I'm going to show you. Please wait. Okay. mm, let's say I'm going to show you how to download. So first of all, you need to download a software, that is Internet Download Manager. That the download link is given in my description. It's a Google link, drive link, so that it can be downloaded. It's about 7 MB. I'll show you the clicking download. Okay, it's downloading. I have already that file, and so I'm canceling that. I'm going to open it. It's okay. It's I think in off. It's in downloads and compressed, and then is we are in the download full version. And first of all, it's the file that we are getting. Mm, you need to extract that file. Extract here. Okay, yes. Yeah, here is the file. First of all, you need to install Internet Download Manager, and then so there is so a patch. You need also to extract that patch also. First of all, you need to install that software exe file. These are the two files that you are getting while extracting. Okay, let's install it. Okay, installing. Please wait. It's coming. Why it's not coming anything? If what is this? Okay. Okay, then you need to go and I accept. Okay, yes. Okay, extracting. Okay, let's finish. Okay, the file is now installed. It's a premium software, so that you need to patch it for full version. Okay, so that I'll show you the software when it is all get opened. Okay, it will be there. That toolbar. Okay, this is the this is good when you are get opened. Okay, then I am going to close it. You need to exit that, so that we can apply the patch directly. You need to go to patch and just open it. Then it is opening. Okay, just you need to click the patch. Only you need to click the patch. Then you can type any name, your name or PC name, anything. Okay, and last name. Okay, the patching is done, and it will be it will get full version cracked. Okay, I'll show you. It's the software. It's the registration is over. Okay, and I'm going to open the Mozilla Firefox for download. How to download? So you can download any software or any files by using the Internet Download Manager. It will give high speeds by doing this. I'm going, yeah, YouTube. That's clicking. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm clicking a random film. You can also download that. It will be shown there. The download that video. Okay, I'm clicking this video, and yeah, he download this video. You can check the you can select the quality so that the download file will come in automatically. I will show you. We need to select the quality of the video so that it will be automatically. I am selecting 70dp and I am clicking downloads, so three files are there. You can see I am selecting. By clicking 70d it will also automatically show the dialog box. You can download into it. There is resume capacity and pause option so that you can pause or resume or anything like that. I hope you should understand my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my video. Okay, thank you for watching. Thanks.